Welcome back to another video, guys. We're basically doing part 2 of getting the Type R, getting the SI ready for wrap. We kind of just been going around here, just taking all the vinyl off that's stuck on this. Like if you kind of see there's a little bit hanging right here, but kind of been attacking it. There's a lot more things we have to do before we start wrapping the car. We still have to roll the fenders, cut the rears, roll the rears, and then we also got to install these as well, which I'll show you guys in a second. Have some extended studs from H&R, and then we also have some spacers as well, because the wheels that I want are not available, so we're gonna run some wheels that I'm gonna show you guys later. We gotta do everything before we start wrapping, so pretty much we're done with this part. Now we're gonna get over to, what do you want to do, roll the fenders first? We'll start rolling the fenders first, so we'll start there. So just to kind of give you guys a little update, for the heat shield, you will have to cut this part off right here in order to make the longer ones fit. And then for the longer ones as well, you're also gonna have to shave like a little piece right here to make it flat, so it can actually fit. Let me show you guys. So just cut like a little piece of it, make it flat, don't make it too all the way down, just want to make it just enough to get in there. Moving on to the rear. Rear's a little easier. The only part that's probably hassle is taking off everything, but pretty much you don't need to do anything. But we did hit this part right there, just kind of bend it and make everything fit, so should be pretty good. And then hopefully we're done with this, 'cause I'm tired of car is pretty much all done. Everything's been put on. Fenders are rolled. But now, look at that fitment. Sheesh. Brian's putting on the wheels right now. We're getting ready to wash this thing. And then we're going to go ahead and start wrapping the front end. It may or may not make this video. There might be a part 2 to this video. Depends on how long part 1 is. So, we're going to start washing it and we'll start wrapping it pretty soon. Got the car lower to the floor. Look at this rear fitment though, baby. You know what I'm saying? Definitely gonna go with a smaller tire. Plus I'm not going 17, I'm going 18. So this is just for now, just to get the car going. Yeah, now we can wash the car. Yeah, somebody shut that fucking car up.
That wasn't me, right?
Probably.
No way.
Look who it is. Wow, dude. Haven't seen you since like November type shit.
Showed up.
Type shit.
Type shit.
Yeah. Shout out to Derek though. Still fake. Won't show up. Tight. No. But we're finally going to start wrapping it. Might as well show you guys the color now. Ooh. Ooh. I'm sure there's a fan in here. But... That one's 650. Special color. 650.